Welcome back to In the Loop. Let's get back to bringing you the most important stories you need to know before the bell. Joining us to discuss all of this is Alex Sherman and Olivia Stearns. Okay, guys, our number one story is the economy, right? Well, it's a big jobs week, but don't forget that ISM manufacturing numbers are going to be out in about 30 minutes. The survey may be, according to our Bloomberg intelligence economist here, Carl Riccadonna, the ISM numbers may be just as important as a jobs number this week.
It's all about the downdraft, or the potential downdraft of the dollar, right? So first we had this really bad Chicago PMI, and that's got everybody worried about today's ISM number. And the concern about the dollar is eating into earnings left, right, and center, right? That is the reason why many strategists think for the next 2 quarters, if not for all of 2015, S&P 500 earnings are actually going to shrink, because everybody is trying to figure out what impact the dollar is going to have and what it might mean for when the Fed will actually.
And obviously, from an investment standpoint, then you have to look outside of the U.S. and you say, well, if the dollar is having this impact on the U.S., does it make more sense to look for other countries where goods are cheaper, and maybe that's where we see a recovery happening?
That is where we see a recovery happening. And Don Peebles was with us in the last hour, who said because of the higher dollar for his property developments, particularly in Miami, slowed down. I mean, he said almost slowed down to a halt. In some areas. Okay, well, stocks are coming off of a first quarter where growth outpaced values. We're about to hear the opening bell. According to David Kostin, the chief U.S. equity strategist at Goldman Sachs, that is going to fade as the economy picks up. So growth versus value. Growth has won out. Well, I want to ask David Joy, who's the chief market strategist at Ameriprise Financial, what he thinks about this projection. So what do you think about that? I mean, so in the first quarter, growth stocks did much better than value stocks. In fact, I think the difference was like 4 percentage points or something, David. Do you think that's going to shrink as we go into the year?
Yes, I do, and for the same reasons that they say at Goldman Sachs. I think the economy is going to pick up, and under those circumstances, typically value stocks will outperform. Growth is something you tend to retreat to when you're really trying to find a safe haven, looking for any sort of earnings generation. But I think we'll see better economic activity in the second quarter.
Yeah, David, we were just watching GoDaddy ringing the opening bell of the night. Would you buy GoDaddy? Here's an 18-year-old company that's unprofitable.
Well, I don't
for growth.
Yeah, I don't follow the stock specifically, so I can't comment on it in general. But it's nice to see that companies are waiting until they're a little bit more mature to come to market, especially in a space like this, you know, in contrast to what we'd seen.
Is that good news, though? If you're an investor, don't you want to be able to buy into an IPO where there is still growth? It seems that investors are only able to buy into, or VC funds can only get growth on the private market.